Okay, hi guys. So we're gonna now do row 3, which is proteins. So we're gonna start with our chemical test, or revealing what our chemical test is, and that's called Biuret reagent. So Biuret reagent is spelled Biuret. So you wanna write that down next to proteins. Now, this is the original bottle that this came out of, and I'm reading right from it. It says, causes severe skin burns and eye damage. So if you get this on you, you're going to want to wash your hands right away. And you need to make sure, like I am, that you're wearing goggles this entire lab, because you really can get severe eye damage if any of this happens to just splash into you. No matter how careful you are, you never know what people around you are doing or what could happen. So Biuret solution, you'll notice, is similar in color to Benedict solution, and so we want to make sure that, again, you're looking at labels, and here I have this label with Biuret solution. And what I'm going to have one person do is, whoever is doing this test in your group is going to put a glove on, and that'll just make sure when you get to this part of this that you don't get any on your hands, just to be nice and safe. And so with this one, it says you're going to have your sample in the test tube, and you're going to add to it 20 drops of Biuret solution. So in here I just have water in my negative group. So this is what you're going to see if you don't have any proteins in the stomach contents of Harold. So here we go. Here's my negative test. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'll hold that up in just a second, but first, I'm gonna do a couple more drops because I put a little bit too much. Actually, no, that should be good. Okay, then over here we have just water right now, but I have what is called albumin, and it is a protein that's made from like eggs. Concentrate. So I'm gonna put a spoonful of albumin into the beaker. It's kind of a lot. Oops. It smells really funny. And I'm gonna give it a stir. Now I know that this beaker right here has protein in it. It looks like eggs almost, if you can see. And so when I add this Biuret solution, whatever color this one turns is going to be our positive result. So I have to add 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this one is kind of similar to our complex carbs, but this is more black and dark. This one's more purpley. So like a purplish black is what you're going to see if you do have proteins when you add Biuret solution to Harold's stomach contents. So in the positive results, please write purpley black color. It might start to turn darker if we wait a little longer, so write black just in case that happens. But any color like that is a positive test for proteins. And if you see something like this when you test Harold's stomach contents with Biuret solution, you know that they're not in his food. No proteins, nothing he ate had proteins in it. So here you see like a really light blue, almost a clear color even, for the negative test results for proteins. Now the reason I have a glove on, and I didn't do this because I didn't necessarily need to do it as much, but it does say in this test to shake your test tube to mix it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your thumb over the top and give it a shake, but you never know if it could splash up. So I'm gonna provide gloves so you can be safe and make sure that none of this solution gets on your hand. So you just wanna give it a nice shake with your glove on like that, okay? And then once you're done with the glove, you can throw it away in the trash and move on to the next station.